Hi friends, welcome to my learning journey about German language. In this lecture, we'll process a little bit about adverb part 7. We'll learn new words and we'll understand how we can create any sentences with these words. And after that, we'll try to make there some logic to understand what's going on. Well, let's start with the eigentlich, which means like actually, and we pronunciating it like eigentlich, okay? The first sentence for that, eigentlich, ich war sehr, zwei Jünger, like mean, actually, I saw, like, I was saw, I was saw two young guys like that, I think, if I'm right. Another one, the second verse, which is oben, it means like above or up there, so we can pronounce it like oben. So let's look for the sentences. It will be like soll es sprüche mit du oben, like that. Okay, this one like he should speak with you up there or like that. So above it, like so. The another one even. So what's mean even like? So let's check it like just now or even. So we're pronouncing it like even. We can say, sie konnte entwickeln ihr eben mehr aktiv. Like what? She could she could improve him even more active like that. So some sentences. At end of this process, I will show you in translate like what we said. So again, you can see it. The another words is like natürlich. Natürlich mean like naturally or of course. Let's say like that. But generally you can see there of course for more directive. Well, our sentences here for that natürlich. Sie können gehen nächste ihr. Nächste ihr. If I pronounce it good, thank you. If not, sorry. So it's like, of course, in a formal way, like you could go next to him, like next him. So it will be like that, okay? Another one, vielleicht. It's mean like perhaps or maybe. Vielleicht. Generally, we'll use it when you speak. Vielleicht, wie soll Sprache später, like what? Vielleicht mean maybe, wir solle Sprache später, like maybe we should speak later. It means like that, später, like later. The another one, vorgestern, the day before yesterday, which is we saying vorgestern. Ich war denke über mein Auto, like what? Like we can say the day before yesterday. So the day before yesterday, I was think about my car. It means like that. Another one, it's übermorgen. Okay, übermorgen means like the day after tomorrow. Vorgestern and übermorgen, don't forget it. Morgen is tomorrow. Gestern is yesterday. Vorgestern is the day before yesterday. Übermorgen is the day after tomorrow, which is mean like that. Will du kommen übermorgen? It means like so. Do you want to come tomorrow, lads? Do you want to come the day after tomorrow, like that? So it means like that. If I made it like Will du kommen übermorgen, it will be good, better. But anyway, don't worry about that. So another way, this one früher, it means earlier, previous, the generally previous, the more better, much better for use it. Our sentences here, like sie denke, wie sie denke, früher, seite, like what? How do you think? How do you think previous Zeta, like I forget it. Maybe we can check it. What it means. Zeta. Let's check it. If you can. Zeta in English. Let's check it in English. Side, right? Side, I think, right? Hand, like yeah, previous thing, like that. So previous side. I mean, another one, meistens. Like most of the time, or usually, you can see, or ich meistens fühlen frei, like, yeah, ich meistens fühlen frei. It means like I usually feel free, like that. So, let's right now take all these sentences, copy, let's come up and put here. Actually, I would see too young. It's a little bit bad sentences for grammatical. The another one, he should talk to you about, right? This one, like I soll es sprühen mit dir oben. The another one will be the content we can ja even mehr active, like what she could develop her even more actively. I was thinking like him or yeah, it's a little bit bad. Natürlich, sie können gehen nächste ihr. Like maybe we should speak later. It's good. Vielleicht wir sollen sprechen später. It means like we should speak later. The day before, yes, no, yeah, this one. Maybe we should speak later. It means right. No, this is of course you could go next her. It's just we can put there zoo for two. Anyway, after that, what we have, Sie können get next to now, it is vielleicht, maybe this one. Yeah, vielleicht wir sollen sprechen später. It means like the day before yesterday, I was thinking about my car. The other one, vorgestern, this mean. I think, yeah, I just mixed all of them. Yeah, vorgestern, ich war denke über mein Auto, which is the same yesterday, like the day before yesterday, I was thinking about my car. This one, which is will sie come übermorgen, it's been like want to come the day after tomorrow, here übermorgen. And after that, sie denke früher Seite, like how do you think earlier page, like page is better, not side. The another one, ich meistens fühlen frei, like frei, like I mostly feel free. That's good. I think all of them is like that. I think you got it. So this is our way to understand how is going on, what's going on. This is Edward Part 7. It's really finished. Thank you so much for joining. I hope you enjoy it and you understood everything clearly because just I'm trying to explain you these things. Maybe for the future you can start to learn also German language. I'm not saying here like I'm an educator because I'm learning in some way like to understand for myself, but also I'm sharing with you because it's just motivating me and I hope it will motivate you too and you will be in same position like with me like thank you so much for joining have a good time thank you bye bye